How to connect super VPN in mobile. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can connect super VPN in mobile. So for that, simply click on super VPN. Once we click here you guys will see that type of interface. So you guys will see allow, so simply click on allow. After that, wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see super VPN, best premium VPN, also loading button. So you will simply wait for some seconds. Here you guys will see first thing first ad. So simply watch the ad or skip that. So I'll simply click on top right corner of that option. Now I will click on cross to skip that ad. Now here you guys can see auto select connect. So when you click on auto select, here you guys can select the country you want to connect. Also you guys can select auto select, but for example I want to select auto select. It's upon you. After that, click on continue. Once we click on continue, here we will wait for some seconds. Our connecting will be started, so let's wait for some seconds. Here we go, our super VPN was connected. So that's how you guys can connect super VPN. Thanks for watching.